For a century, air combat was defined by human sight and instinct. Today, it is fought where eyes cannot reach.
The mid-20th century pushed speed to its physical limit, but speed alone was no longer enough.
As radar technology matured, the skies became a deadly trap for traditional warplanes. To survive, engineers built machines that flew higher and faster than any missile could track. But the ultimate solution wasn't outrunning the radar, Rega. It was becoming invisible to it.
In 1981, the rules changed forever. Faceted geometry birthed the stealth revolution. In the shadows of 1991, stealth proved that a single undetected aircraft could paralyze an entire air defense network.
Smooth, continuous curves replaced sharp facets, mastering stealth across multiple radar spectrums. Taming the heat signature became as vital as hiding from radar.
The stage was set for a new apex predator. The fifth generation. The fifth generation. Combining stealth, supercruise, and extreme agility, the F-22 redefined air dominance.
Vectoring nozzles allow thrust to physically pull the aircraft through impossible tactical maneuvers. Supercruise meant sustained supersonic speed without burning precious fuel reserves.
With the F-35, air combat shifted from dogfighting agility to sensor fusion.
6 infrared cameras give the pilot a full 360-degree sphere of sight, even looking straight through the jet's floor. Targeting systems can now identify a target tens of miles away before radar even detects its presence. Nanotechnology coatings absorb and dissipate incoming electromagnetic energy into heat. The modern jet does not fight alone. It acts as a central node in a massive battle network. When both sides possess stealth, traditional long-range detection breaks down. Battles are now fought beyond visual range. Victory belongs to whoever fires first from the darkness. Every millisecond the weapons bay remains open increases the jet's radar signature. Enter hypersonics. Weapons traveling so fast they compress air into glowing plasma. Sustaining combustion in supersonic airflows is like keeping a match lit inside a hurricane. Solid-state airborne lasers offer infinite ammo at the speed of light, neutralizing incoming threats instantly. In the electromagnetic spectrum, electronic warfare blinds enemy defenses without firing a single bullet.
Decoys project phantom signatures, tricking smart missiles into chasing ghosts. Yet ground-based anti-access air defense networks grow deadlier and more interconnected every year.
Human physiology is now the primary bottleneck in aerial combat. The human body cannot survive 15G maneuvers.
To cross the next frontier, the pilot must hand over the controls. Welcome to the 6th generation. Stealth reimagined from the ground up.
Adaptive cycle engines alter their internal physics mid-flight for maximum range and explosive power. In the cockpit, an artificial intelligence co-pilot processes threat vectors faster than human thought.
Human pilots no longer fight alone. They command swarms of autonomous collaborative combat aircraft. Inexpensively produced, smart swarms overwhelm defenses through sheer numbers and distributed intelligence. Without human limits, drone-on-drone air combat occurs at speeds and forces never thought possible.
The human becomes the strategist in the sky. The machine executes the kill chain. Air power now merges seamlessly with space assets, creating an unjammable orbital kill web.
The ultimate warplane requires no cockpit. The future of air dominance is fully autonomous.
The era of dogfighting is over. The era of autonomous supremacy has begun. Subscribe now to step inside the future of military technology.